Picture this. A man climbs onto his roof with a drill, a bucket of tar, and complete confidence. 3 hours later, he has sealed his chimney shut, glued his ladder to the shingles, and accidentally drilled through his own bedroom ceiling. He never called a professional. He watched one video. That is the energy we are dealing with today. Today, we are going to uncover 20 ridiculous DIY fails that you won't believe but really happened. So, let's start. Number 1. A Florida man decided to fix a small crack in his driveway using expanding foam insulation. He used 40 cans. The foam expanded through his garage floor, pushed up his car tires, cracked 3 walls, and oozed into his neighbor's yard. Contractors said undoing the damage cost 20 times what professional repair would have. Number 2. A Texas homeowner tried rewiring his living room without an electrician. He watched 2 tutorials and felt ready. By the end, every outlet ran the bathroom fan. The ceiling light triggered the garbage disposal. His smart TV activated the porch sprinklers. The electrician who fixed it said he had never seen anything like it. Number 3. An Ohio couple installed hardwood floors directly over their carpet, refusing to remove it first. Within a week, the floor buckled into waves. Walking across the living room felt like crossing a mountain range. They thought they were saving money. Professionals who fixed it said the carpet underneath had completely rotted from trapped moisture. Number 4. A Georgia man built a backyard deck using only discount clearance materials and skipped the support posts entirely. The deck stood 4 days. On the 5th morning, it collapsed under 2 lawn chairs and a bird feeder. His neighbor filmed everything. The video racked up millions of views. The deck never did get rebuilt. Number 5. A California woman repainted her entire home interior using exterior weatherproof paint because it was on sale. The fumes forced her family out for 2 weeks. Every wall turned slightly yellow upon return. Professionals explained that exterior paint releases chemicals indoors that walls cannot safely absorb, a mistake that cost triple the original paint savings. Number 6. A Michigan man fixed a leaking bathroom pipe by wrapping it entirely in duct tape. It held 3 days before pressure built and the pipe burst, flooding 2 floors. A plumber told him the original leak would have cost $40 to fix. The flood damage cost him several thousand instead. Number 7. A Tennessee couple installed a ceiling fan after watching one tutorial and wired it completely backwards. The fan spun correctly, but switching it on made the kitchen lights downstairs flicker violently. An electrician discovered they had somehow connected the fan circuit to 3 separate rooms. Nobody living in the house had ever known existed. Number 8. A Nevada homeowner soundproofed his office by stuffing walls with old newspapers instead of proper insulation. It actually worked for sound. It failed everything else. Within months, a severe mold problem developed. Inspectors found the newspapers had absorbed moisture and created a bacterial colony that spread through the entire wall cavity undetected. Number 9. A Colorado man leveled his uneven backyard using a rented bulldozer he had never operated. He leveled the yard perfectly, and also his garden shed, half his fence, and his neighbor's rose bushes. The neighbor sued. In court, the man admitted he had confused the forward and reverse controls the entire time. Number 10. A Washington homeowner replaced a broken window pane using industrial adhesive instead of proper glazing compound. The window held perfectly. It also never opened again. The adhesive bonded the frame so completely that a contractor had to dismantle the surrounding wall entirely just to remove it. One bad product swap destroyed an entire wall section. If you have made it this far, you already know this channel finds the stories nobody else is telling. If that is your kind of content, the subscribe button is right there. No pressure, but Fact 16 is coming, and it might be the most facepalm-worthy one yet. Number 11. An Arizona man dug his own swimming pool using a rented excavator and online blueprints. He dug the hole perfectly, then realized he had no idea how to install a liner, plumbing, or filtration. The hole filled with rainwater and mosquitoes. 2 summers later, it remained a very expensive, very muddy pond. Number 12. A Louisiana homeowner fixed a sagging roof by placing car jacks under ceiling beams from inside the attics. The jacks lifted the roof and also cracked 4 joists, split drywall across 2 rooms, and knocked the gutters completely off. Every single fix this man attempted somehow created 3 brand new problems instead. Number 13. A Minnesota man installed 12 DIY security cameras across his property. Every single one faced the wrong direction. His front door went completely unwatched, while 4 cameras pointed directly at his own mailbox. When his garage was broken into, he had crystal clear footage of nothing but an empty driveway. Number 14. A Pennsylvania couple tiled their bathroom using school glue instead of tile adhesive because the packaging looked similar. The tiles held for 11 days. On day 12, every single tile peeled off the wall simultaneously during a hot shower and shattered across the floor. Steam and moisture had dissolved every drop of glue overnight. Number 15. An Illinois man built a treehouse using only bungee cords and zip ties because he wanted it modular and adjustable. Structural engineers who inspected it said it was held together by tension and hope alone. The treehouse swayed 4 inches in light wind. His kids refused to climb it after the very first day. Number 16. A Missouri man repaved his cracked driveway using clearance sale asphalt on a 90-degree day. He did not know heat keeps fresh asphalt soft for weeks. His car sank 3 inches into his own driveway the next morning and required a professional tow just to escape his freshly paved property. Number 17. A Kentucky man insulated his garage by stapling over 300 feet of bubble wrap across every wall and the ceiling. It did nothing for temperature. It did pop loudly and randomly throughout the night for 6 straight weeks every time outside temperatures dropped, keeping his entire family completely awake. Number 18. A Virginia homeowner poured motor oil along every wall base to eliminate a termite problem. The termites were completely unbothered. The oil soaked into the subfloor, warped every baseboard, and created a fuel smell lasting 8 months. The termites stayed. Everything else in the house was destroyed by the cure instead. Number 19. A Maryland couple replaced their broken furnace using YouTube tutorials and a second-hand unit with missing parts. They got it running at 1 temperature only, maximum. Their house held at 94 degrees for 3 straight weeks. Every window stayed wide open through a full winter storm just to make it bearable. Number 20. A Wisconsin man built a fully functional elevator inside his 2-story home without permits or professional help. It worked on the first ride. On the second, it got stuck between floors for 9 hours with him trapped inside. Firefighters who rescued him discovered the entire cable system was held together with zip ties.